how to optimize your TikTok shop product listing effectively to get more sales. Because I have been selling on TikTok shop from past 2 years, and in that period from my selling experience, I have learned some important things which I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. Because in online selling, all you have is your listing to show to your buyer, and all of the things about your product like its pricing, its feature, its quality and its material, you have to explain to your buyer with the help of your product listing. So if your listing will be optimized effectively, like it will say everything about your product, like what your product is, how to use that product, what is the quality and what are the feature. If the customer know everything about that from the listing, then they will purchase, and the chances for them to purchase will be more high. So if you're working hardly on your TikTok shop and you're putting effort in marketing, bringing customer, so it's super important for you to optimize your listing, because if it will be optimized, that means the conversion rate will be high. So basically here the conversion means if 100 people come to your shop, so out of those 100, if 10 people purchase, that means conversion rate is 10%. So if your listing optimized and conversion rate is super high, so in the same effort of marketing you are putting right now, you can actually get more sales. So if you also want to get good results like me, then keep watching this video till the end step by step without skipping any part, because all of my content is 100% free and all I want from you is 1 like, 1 subscribe and 1 share. So that will help me to motivate, and I will keep creating this kind of free content for you, so it will help you more in scaling your business. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build a life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened my TikTok shop seller center. So basically if you go on TikTok shop and from the left menu, if you go on the products, so here from this page you can see all of your live products which are on your TikTok shop account, right? So if you want to add a new product, so from the top right corner, you can see this button, add a new product. So all you have to do is, you have to click on that button and fill out that form and create a product listing. So basically this is the biggest mistake which most of the beginners do. Like they just click on this button, they fill out the form randomly and publish their product and then start working on marketing. But that's not like that. You have to click on this button, and before filling out this form, you have to break down that form into parts. Like you can see that if I scroll down, in the first box, it is asking me to upload product images, and then product title, then product category, then product description, size and dimension. So basically one by one, we have to put effort and time in every part, because these are the parts that will be displayed to our customer. And if we take time to fill out every part in detail, so that will be the thing that will make our listing different from our competitor. Like if we do the same thing which competitor are doing, so nobody will purchase from our listing. So we need to make our listing looks better in terms of images, in terms of description and in terms of everything, right? So now let me show you one by one how you can optimize the listing in such a way that it can get more sales and conversion, right? So now let's start with the first part, which is images. So here you can see that basic information, product images. It's recommended to include at least 5 images to adequately represent your product. So as you can see that there itself saying that these images represent your product. So the number one mistake everyone do is they go on AliExpress, they go on Alibaba, or they take the photos of their product from their phone and just upload them. So basically that's not how it works. So now I'm going to show you a pro tip to create the images, and if you create the images just like that, then your conversion rate will actually double and your sales will be double as well. So everything which I'm going to explain you in this video, just keep watching exactly without skipping, because it might happen with you, like whenever I try to explain something, you feel that I already know that. But no, you know, but you don't know that correctly. So if you listen completely what I'm going to say, then you will understand like what is the difference between you and other competitor, right? So basically we need to understand like the images are the 40% thing which most of the people focus on the listing, right? So if we break down the factors which bring sales to your listing, so from those factors, 40% of the share will take by images, because images are something which are the visual representation of your product and can say everything about your product, right? So all you have to do is, before creating the images, you have to open ChatGPT and just focus on the command what I am writing. So basically, let's suppose if I'm selling a hairbrush, right? So now I can write a prompt for my product to ChatGPT like, I am selling a hairbrush on my online TikTok shop and I have to create 5 images. So please give me ideas of how those images should look like. I want to make those images as effective as possible so anyone watching those images cannot resist themselves from purchasing my product, right? And at last we have to write, I want to explain and highlight the quality and features of my product to get good sales, right? So after writing that prompt, you have to just click enter, and then you can just see the magic. Like all of the ideas regarding images, like how your images should look like, it will explain you. And after reading the ideas, you will be amazed. Like you cannot even think about those things which ChatGPT can actually tell you after writing that command. So basically, you can change that command as per your product. Right now, this is for hairbrush, but you can use it for anything. So before creating images, first of all, go to ChatGPT, put that command and check out this thing. And then after reading out that command, I will show you the next step just right now, right? So you can see that image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, image 5. So it has basically given the idea for all 5 images, right? So now let's see what it says. So if you take the example of image 1, so here you can see that image 1, attractive product display, visuals, text and focus. So basically it is saying that in image 1, we have to show the product a high quality close-up of hairbrush on a clean minimalistic background like pastel colors or white. And then we have to write the text which is revolutionize your hair care routine, perfect grip, sleek design. So if I move down, I can see second image, it says we have to highlight feature in diagram. Like the visuals should be look like an annotated diagram showing key features like anti-static bristle, ergonomic handle and scalp massaging tips. And the text on that image should be designed for perfect styling, say goodbye to tangles. So basically all of the problem which people are facing from the hairbrushes, ChatGPT has found out all of those problems and stated those problems and try to explain a solution in the images. Like this hairbrush is having good quality, it will not become the reason of your hair fall, or it can actually help you in massaging as well. Like when you're using that hairbrush, you will feel like it's massaging. So these kind of lines, these kind of images and visual can actually make your product listing different from other, and if you use them, then you'll definitely get sales, right? So after generating the script for your product photos from ChatGPT, the next step you have to do is you have to go on YouTube and type free AI e-commerce photography, right? So after typing that keyword, you have to scroll down and find this video of mine which says free e-commerce photography with the help of AI tool. So basically you can just go on YouTube and find that. Otherwise, I will put the link of that video in the description of this video so you can go from there as well. So if you watch this video, so in this video, I have explained you in detail, like with the help of free AI tool from Adobe, how you can actually convert those commands into real images so you can use those images in your product listing, right? Because you can see that this video is 10 minutes long. So if I keep explaining you this thing in this video, so this video will be too long, right? So from that part, you can continue there. Like after watching this video, you can watch that and you can create some effective images that can actually help you in bringing sale, and that will make your listing different from other, right? So now after following this step, you will be having your images ready. And if you go on TikTok shop again, so here you can actually upload all of your 5 or 7 images here and then move on to the next step. So the next step is to having a product name. So basically for that, we have to go to ChatGPT again, and then we have to type that command like, please write an effective title for this product which should be SEO friendly and bring me sales, right? So you can see that ChatGPT is writing a title for us, and here you can see that it has given us a cool title, right? So here you can see that detailing hairbrush for smooth, frizz-free hair, gentle scalp care and professional styling tool. So in my opinion, this is a super cool and unique title you can use. But in case if you don't like that title for your product, so you can just ask ChatGPT to write 5 more, right? So you can write, please write me 5 more best options, right? So just with that command, you can see that ChatGPT will give you 5 more options for the same title. So here you can see that these are the 5 more titles. They are SEO friendly and they are attractive title for your product. So you can just read them one by one and you can use one of them which you want. For example, if I like the last one, which is premium hairbrush for tangle-free hair, gentle, anti-static and easy to use. So I like this title. It's easy to read and it's effective. So I can just copy that and I can just go there and paste that title here. So you can see that our second part has been completed, and after putting out a title and images, it will give you some option for the category. So in most of the cases, the category is correct, but still you have to review that category, and if that category is not exact as you want, you can just scroll down and change that category as per your requirement, right? So after putting the images, title and category, you have to go down, and in the brand, you can see that it is showing us no brand right now. So basically, if you really want to get more sale and scale your business, then you have to get the trademark and apply for the brand registry in TikTok Shop Seller Central. Because if you are having brand registered account, then there will be many features which will be unlocked for you. You will get more sale and your listing will look more authentic, right? So here you can see that if I just click on this drop down menu, so it is showing me some brand name which are not my brand name but other brand name regarding the hairbrush, right? So if I scroll down, I can see I'm having option. Either I can select this brand name or I can select no brand name. But if you want to select your brand name, so here you can see that there are two options. Can't find your brand name, add a new brand, or choose no brand. So if you're having a trademark, you can just click on add a new brand and you can file for brand registry on your TikTok Shop account. So if you want to learn in detail about how to get brand registry done for TikTok Shop account, you can watch my other video in the same playlist in which I have explained you in detail step by step how to apply for the brand and how to get your brand name here in this list. Because if you want to make TikTok Shop your full-time career and want to make a serious money, then it is a must for you, right? So after putting your brand name, selecting your brand, you have to go down, and then in the product attribute type, you have to put all information correctly, like the weight of your product, the packaging type, the hairstyle tool type, and the region. Like if you're sourcing product from China, you can mention here. If you're sending your product into poly bag or maybe cardboard box, so you can just select the packaging type here, right? So after filling out all of the attributes, the next step is product detail. So basically on this part, we will again take the help of ChatGPT and we have to go there and type another command. Like now, write a perfect description for the same product along with 5 bullet points, and in those you can explain all features which are in images, right? So after typing that command, if I click on enter, so you can see that ChatGPT will write a proper and perfect description for us. You can read that description, and if you feel you want to change anything else, you can just change by yourself, or you can actually ask ChatGPT to change. Because many people think that if they use AI or ChatGPT to write description for their product, that will be common because anyone can use that. But no, if you write the ChatGPT command by yourself in detail about your product and you include these kind of words, like please make description SEO friendly, please explain all of the feature of my product. My product is this. These are the feature and this is the quality. So if you make your command unique, like 2-3 lines, then there is no chance that your description will be conflict with any other description which is written by ChatGPT, right? So here you can see that ChatGPT has written a description like these are the key feature. So we can basically copy that description and copy that key feature, Control C, and go to that page and we can actually paste that. Right? So now almost everything is done. We have put the images, title, category, attributes, and description. So now at last, we are having the option of video and sales information. So in video, again, this is another topic and you can find a dedicated video on this topic, like how to create engaging video and convertible video for your TikTok Shop product. So you can find that video step by step in the same playlist. You can go there and watch that and create an effective video and put that there. Right? So after putting the video, you have to scroll down and here you have to put the sales information, like how much will be the price, what is the quantity. So let's say I want to sell that brush for 9.99 pound and the quantity I'm having is 100. So in that case, we are having a brush, not a variation. So we can just keep this option turned off. But if you're selling a product like shoes or t-shirt, which is having size variation and design variation, so you can just turn this feature on and put the detail about the variation. Right? So now after putting the sales information, you have to go down to the last step, which is shipping. So in shipping, all you have to do is you have to put the weight and dimension of one unit. Like for example, it's the one box and in that box, there is a brush. So what is the weight of that box? What is the length, width and height in centimeter? You have to put that value here, like maybe 500 gram, 12 by 12 by 12 is the height. So I can fill that information and as per that information, it will let me know the estimated shipping fee from the ship from address and to the customer address, right? So after filling out that form, all we have to do is we have to scroll up, zoom out and click on submit for review. So basically you can see that there are multiple blocks and I have divided all blocks separately. Like in first block, we work on product images and product name and product description. So basically these three are the main part. So if you focus on this with the help of AI and use your brain as well, so these are the things which covers 90% of the listing optimization. Like people will make their purchase decision on the basis of title, description and images. And the rest part you can see that you can just fill as per your product, right? So now at this point, I hope you have complete knowledge about how to optimize your product listing and make it effective and different from other, because if your listing will be different from other, then it will be able to stand out in the competition and start getting more sales. So right after watching this video, go there, optimize your listing and let me know in the comment box below, like after optimizing as per my guidelines, how much sales you have increased. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.